Okay, today we're going to have a look at a nice little benchtop comparator here. This is a Series 20 Gage-Master. This is a 14-inch screen on here. You also have a ACU-RITE QWIKCOUNT 2-axis display for the X and the Y. This has surface and profile. At the moment I have it set up so that you get a nice picture of the surface and the inner workings of this component that I have on here. It comes with a nice cabinet. It's 110 volts, 115 volts, plug it in the wall. It comes with a 20x lens. We have a chart ring here, rotating chart ring that's lit here. If you want to change it. And let's see what else we could say about it. We're going to shut the light off here for a second so you can see a better picture of the image I have in there. The focusing is up here, so depending on what you want to look at, you'd have to bring it into focus. If we want to look at the firing pin hole in the center there, then you have your longitudinal movement. And come on the outside and look at that. Then, of course, if we were to shut put the lights back on, we can also look at profiles. Like this kind of a thing, where you have holes, and now you can see the profile, and you can also see the surface of this piece. The light's on, it's kind of hard. And that would be just your profile. This is just a standard little test piece that comes with most comparators. Bring it into focus. You have the ring here. Stuff you see here is actually little lint and dust on the edges of the part we're looking at, just so magnified. You can turn your chart. Well, that's it. That's the Gage-Master benchtop comparator. Nice little machine, nice and clean. Thank you.